This is leaving Aransas. It's flooded. That's what Gary said, the light pole's broken. He said there's a light pole like snapped in half over there. There's a city over there trying to fix it already, the TPO. Nothing in, man. Roll my window because someone fucking. They do land clearing. I don't know about the water. That one was land clearing. Just a little bit. Looked like it went down quite a bit from the first time we came by. Yeah, it's pretty deep here. I can feel the truck catching it. That truck floated, man. It was way back there earlier. It's right there now. It's moving around. Do we go through what? They say closed, but we can get through. We got there earlier. That's Nancy's car, look. Right? No. Maybe this one's it. Yeah, there it is, look. Wow, that's crazy, man. They're all flooded out everywhere. Is that a guy riding a bike on the road? I think so, right? There's Dollar General if you want to buy something. Here we go, deep water.
Looking to get a CDL? Recent driving school graduate? Experienced driver looking for a change? Whatever your level of truck driving experience.
Yep, somebody on a bike. He's gonna ride through the water. Wow, look at that. Freaking car's going to the deep ass water. They're gonna get stranded. We got a guy on a bike. Jerry said something about a guy on a bike. That's crazy.
Look at that.
Yeah, he's on a bike.
Yeah,
Hey, buddy.
a bike is not.
That's crazy, man.
It's going to swim inside the water.
Last resort, they seem to be above water. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, I was heading home right now. This is right there. Almost getting into Rockport already. Everything's all flooded out. We got pizza delivery guys stopping and taking pictures and showing and stuff. Woo! Car underwater. There was a truck way back at the other side. Bad.